Hey there. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to take a look at the rise and fall of Nokia. You might be surprised to learn that Nokia's origins actually lie in a paper mill. That's right, a paper mill. But fast forward a few decades and Nokia became a powerhouse in the mobile phone industry. Now I know what you're thinking. How does a paper mill turn into a mobile phone giant? Well, it's a fascinating story and one that we're going to explore together. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about the phone that put Nokia on the map. The Nokia 3310. Who can forget that iconic design and that game of Snake? The 3310 changed the game and set the standard for mobile phones for years to come. So whether you're a die-hard Nokia fan or just curious about the history of mobile phones, you're in the right place. And if you want to keep up with the latest and greatest in tech, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Let's get started. As Nokia started to gain traction in the mobile phone market, they quickly became a force to be reckoned with. In 1987, Nokia launched the world's first GSM mobile phone, a major step forward in mobile technology. From there, Nokia continued to dominate the market, becoming the world's leading mobile phone manufacturer. It seemed like everyone had a Nokia phone. They were reliable, durable, and had exceptional battery life. But Nokia's success wasn't just about their innovative technology and quality products. It was also thanks to strategic partnerships, like the one they formed with Microsoft. This partnership helped Nokia grow even further, cementing their place as a leader in the mobile phone industry. Nokia's early successes set the stage for what was to come. But as we'll see in the next part, the mobile phone market was about to change in a big way. Now that we've covered Nokia's history, let's dive into their mistakes and missteps. It's important to learn from our mistakes, and Nokia's downfall holds valuable lessons for all of us. One of Nokia's biggest mistakes was their failure to adapt to the rise of smartphones. They had a stronghold on the traditional mobile phone market, but when smartphones began to take over, Nokia failed to keep up. The N-Gage gaming device was a prime example of Nokia's missteps. It was marketed as a gaming device that also functioned as a phone, but it failed to impress consumers. The design was clunky and the games were subpar. Nokia's struggles in the smartphone market were also a significant contributor to their downfall. While Apple was busy revolutionizing the industry with the iPhone, Nokia failed to innovate. Their smartphones lacked the sleek design and intuitive user interface that Apple had perfected. Ultimately, Nokia's inability to compete with Apple's innovative products sealed their fate. The iPhone was a game changer and Nokia was left in the dust. It's important to remember that even the biggest and most successful companies can make mistakes. Nokia's downfall serves as a reminder to always be adaptable and willing to change with the times. Join me in the next segment as we discuss the aftermath of Nokia's downfall and how they've managed to stay relevant in today's market. As we wrap up Nokia's story, let's take a moment to reflect on the lessons we can learn from their journey. First and foremost, innovation is key. Without it, companies risk becoming obsolete in a rapidly changing market. Nokia's inability to adapt to the rise of smartphones ultimately led to their downfall. But it's not just about innovation. It's about adapting to new technologies. Companies that are able to pivot and embrace new technologies are the ones that thrive. On the other hand, those that cling to the status quo risk being left behind. So how can companies avoid the mistakes that led to Nokia's downfall? It starts with a willingness to change and a commitment to staying ahead of the curve. It's about being proactive, not reactive, and continuously seeking out new opportunities for growth. And finally, it's about understanding the changing landscape of technology and business strategy. In today's world, things move fast. Companies that are able to stay ahead of the curve and anticipate changes in the market are the ones that come out on top. So there you have it, the lessons we can learn from Nokia's story. As we move forward, let's keep these lessons in mind and strive to build companies that are innovative, adaptable, and forward-thinking. Alright folks, we've covered a lot of ground in this video. From the intricacies of quantum mechanics to the latest advancements in AI technology, we've explored some pretty complex topics. But hopefully I've been able to break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand. And let's not forget the humor. I mean, who knew that learning about the expansion of the universe could be so entertaining? But that's just how I roll, folks. I like to inject a little levity into even the driest of topics. Now, I know some of you may be thinking, who is this guy and why should we trust him? Well, let me tell you, I've spent years studying these topics and have a degree in astrophysics to back it up. so you can rest assured that you're learning from an expert. But enough about me. Let's talk about you. What did you think of the video? Did you learn something new? Did you laugh a little? I hope so. And if you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more entertaining and educational content. Until next time, folks.